Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get rid of mouth odor using natural and simple ingredients. If mouth odor is something that you suffer from, or you know someone that suffers from mouth odor, this remedy or this recipe I'll be showing you in this video is something that is really going to help you get rid of that mouth odor. If today is your first time stopping by, you are welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my upcoming videos again. And whenever you see my video pop up on your screen, don't hesitate to click on it. And also don't forget to check out my vlog channel where I make videos with my husband. I'm sure you will love that as well. Then without further ado, let's quickly get right into this video. What we'll be using for this is lemon. And lemon has antibacterial properties, it has antimicrobial properties as well as antioxidant properties that helps to fight bad breath. This is very good because it has been used in ancient times for a long time now to fight bad breath and also to fight odor. This also works great when it comes to fighting body odor. This is a lemon. I'm not making use of a lime. This is what our Nigerian lemon looks like, and this is exactly what I'll be using for this. Next ingredient I'll be making use of is baking soda, and baking soda is another popular ingredient that is good when it comes to getting rid of bad breath. Baking soda here helps to fight odor because of the properties in it. It helps fight odor. Not only does it help fight mouth odor, it also helps to fight body odor and helps to make the mouth to be fresh. You can get your baking soda in any baking shop close to you, or just check a supermarket, you will find a baking soda, or you check the link in my description box. It will take you to where you can buy baking soda on Amazon. To prepare this, I'll be getting a small bowl like this. You can make use of a smaller container with a lid if you have one. And I'll just be needing 1 teaspoonful of baking soda. Pour that into my bowl. Then the next thing I'll do is to get my lemon, and I'll just cut it into 2. I'm just removing the lemon seeds here because I don't want to have the lemon seeds in my treatment. And then I'll go ahead and squeeze this into the baking soda. Then I'll go in with the second half of the lemon for this as well. Why I'm squeezing in 1 whole lemon into this treatment is because I'm not making it for one use. We are going to have to preserve this in the refrigerator for repeated use. Now this is what it looks like. The bubble is everywhere, and I'll just go ahead and stir it. Now if you are looking for a treatment that you can use for bad breath, this is one treatment that has been proven to work very well. So you see what it looks like now. The bubbles from the reaction between the lemon and the baking soda is everywhere, and I'll just keep stirring it like this till everything is well mixed. So for those of you that may ask if what if you don't have baking soda? So you can't really replace baking soda in this treatment, because baking soda here is going to help it work really fast. But if you want to replace it, if you really don't have baking soda and you can't get your hands on baking soda, then you can go ahead and make use of salt. Make use of your sea salt for this, or make use of Epsom salt for this. But using baking soda is the best bet when it comes to getting rid of mouth odor very fast. The next thing I'll be needing for this is water. So I'm just going to add in water into this. That is because if I don't add water, this is going to be really concentrated, and it may hurt your enamel if you go ahead and use the baking soda and lemon like this. So I'll be adding in some water. Then I'm just going to stir it up like this. So I'm going to stir it up like this, and also making sure that everything is well mixed. So after preparing this treatment, if you find out that after using it, it burns, then you can go ahead and dilute it a little bit, add a little more water. Stir it really well. So before I show you how to make use of this, let me tell you how you are going to preserve this. So if you are using an open bowl like what I'm using now, just go ahead and make use of a plastic wrap, cover it very well, and store it in your refrigerator. But if you have a container, you can store it in a container with a lid. Just go ahead and pour it into the container and store it in your refrigerator, and bring it out whenever you want to use it. You can store this in your refrigerator for up to, you can store it for up to 7 days, but don't store it more than 7 days. And then what I'm preparing here is definitely not going to last for 7 days, but then you can prepare something that will last you for maybe 3 days, and after 3 days you prepare another one. It's always better if you have it freshly made. Okay, so make something that will last for about 3 days or 4 days, and after which you make another one. So this treatment, you are going to use it for 1 week straight. You are using it every day for 1 week, morning and evening for 1 week before you stop. So use it 1 week straight before you stop. And then maybe you can be using it twice in a week or once in a week. But for the first time treatment, you are going to make use of this for 1 week straight. So here is the treatment that I just finished preparing to get rid of mouth odor. Like I said earlier, before using it, you have to stir it really well. If you look, you can see that the baking soda is settled at the bottom of this plate. So I'm going to use my spoon and stir it up really well so that everything will be incorporated in the mixture before using it. So now that I've finished stirring and everything is mixed, I'll just go ahead and use it immediately without wasting any time. So I'm going to put this in my mouth and I'll just swish it around. So when this is in my mouth, I won't be able to talk. So that's why I'm telling you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to swish it around from one end to the other, making sure it circulates really well. And I'll keep doing that for about 2 minutes before pouring it out. I've just poured it out, and then what you saw me did was I was also gargling it, because you need the mixture to get to this place, which is mostly where the odor is being trapped. So you need to gargle it as well, and then spit it out. After spitting it out, I did not rinse my mouth with water, and you are not going to have to rinse your mouth with water. Just leave it like that for it to stay and sit for some time before you eat. So after doing this, you can leave it on for 30 minutes to 1 hour before you put anything in your mouth. Just allow it to keep doing its job, so you won't have to rinse this off at all. No need to rinse it off. Just do what I showed you to do, and then you are going to notice that your breath is even getting fresher. This is what is remaining, and I'll just go ahead and store this remaining one in my refrigerator. Remember, I told you you can repeat this twice in a day, so you can use this morning and evening, or you can choose to use it once in a day. So but make sure you are using this for 7 days straight, 7 days straight, in order for you to permanently eliminate any mouth odor that you have. Okay, so that was just a simple way to prepare the simple 3-ingredient recipe for getting rid of mouth odor. You see how simple that was? No need to talk too much again now, because I've already explained everything you need to know in the video. I hope you found the video helpful, and if you did, please do share it with your friends. Give it a huge thumbs up, as well as leave your comments down below. I want to know if you will be trying out this remedy, and if you tried it out, let me know how it worked for you. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my upcoming videos again. And also don't forget to follow me on my socials. The link is always on the screen and in the description box. Do check out my vlog channel where I make videos with my husband. You're going to love that as well. Open up the description box. There are links there for you. You can also grab a free ebook down in the description box, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.